Do not forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food and also click on the bell icon for more such recipe notifications. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today, let's celebrate Tej. It's a festival celebrated in India and Nepal where the women pray to goddess Parvati for the wellness of their children, husband and self. On that note, let's make Nariyal Ladoo. Well, Nariyal Ladoo across India could be made in various types. This is one of those instant methods that I have adopted to make the laddus. The first thing that goes in the pan is of course desi ghee. Again, coconut could vary. I'm using fresh coconut which is grated. You could also use dry coconut which could be desiccated. That goes in the ghee. This needs to be stirred occasionally for around 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Since we are using fresh coconut, the shelf life of this laddu could get affected or lowered. If you need to increase that, please use desiccated coconut. To add in some nuts, let me quickly chop some almonds. Again, these could be nuts of your choice. What I prefer to use in this recipe are almonds, cashews and raisins. While chopping or slicing the nuts, also keep a very keen eye on the coconut that is getting roasted. Of course, you do not need to get it a deep brown color or even a golden brown color for that matter. It just needs to dry just a little. To this, let's also add in some cashew nuts. Let's add this straight into the coconut that's getting roasted and give this a light mix. Once the coconut gets cooked for roughly around 2 to 3 minutes, I'll add in grated Mawa or khoya. You could also choose to crumble it the way I'm doing. And with this, I'm adding in condensed milk. Well, this is the ingredient that makes it instant or rather quick, because otherwise you need to end up making a sugar syrup or a jaggery syrup, which could be a little technically challenging. Let's give this all a good mix. And once this mixture starts cooking, let's add in strands of saffron for color as well as flavor. You could just lightly crush them in your fingers. Let's add in another flavoring, which is green cardamom. I'm just going to crack this and crush it roughly. Let's discard the green skin or the outer skin. While I personally like the flavor of green cardamom, you could also choose to add in nutmeg. We need to constantly keep stirring this, and this could take anywhere between 7 to 8 minutes. Ensure it doesn't burn or brown at the bottom. The whole idea of mixing and stirring this is so that the mixture kind of clumps together like this and leaves the sides of the pan. Once this happens, we add in final 2 ingredients, beginning with golden raisins or kishmish, and finally all of the ghee. From the quantity mentioned in the description box below or the recipe, I had used half of it earlier. The final and the remaining bit goes in now. We need to transfer this into another bowl or container and allow this to cool down to room temperature. The laddu mixture has cooled down completely. Let's take spoonfuls of this mixture and roll these into laddus. You can of course make these in varying sizes, but what I'm doing is making lemon-sized laddus. With these Nariyal Ladoo or Coconut Ladoos, here's wishing all of you a happy, healthy and prosperous lifetime. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food. Happy Tej.